Ever wondered why those precious little seeds never sprout, despite all the love and care poured into them? Or why those promising seedlings fail to grow into the flourishing plants they're meant to be? Well, fear not. Today, we delve into the art and science of planting seeds and seedlings. The journey of a seed to a fully grown plant is indeed a fascinating one. It all starts with a tiny seed full of potential, waiting for the right conditions to awaken. The first step to unlocking this potential is choosing the right seed. Look for seeds from reputable sources. They should be fresh, disease-free, and suitable for the local climate. Next up, prepare the soil. Good soil is the backbone of every successful garden. The soil should be well-draining, yet able to retain enough moisture. It should be rich in organic matter and have a neutral pH. Consider adding compost or manure to improve its fertility. Now it's time to plant the seeds. Dig a small hole about 2 to 3 times the size of the seed. Place the seed in the hole and cover it gently with soil. Remember, the smaller the seed, the shallower it should be sown. Water it lightly. Overwatering can wash away the seeds or lead to rot. For those who prefer a head start, seedlings are the way to go. Seedlings are young plants that have already sprouted and started their growth journey. When transplanting seedlings, handle them with care. Their roots are tender and can easily get damaged. Dig a hole wide and deep enough for the roots to comfortably fit in. Place the seedling in the hole, backfill with soil and water it well. After planting comes the maintenance part. Water the seeds and seedlings regularly, but avoid overwatering. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and most importantly, be patient. Growth takes time. To recap, the journey from seed to plant involves a few key steps. First, choose the right seed. Second, prepare the soil. Third, sow the seeds or transplant the seedlings. And finally, maintain the plants with regular watering and pest control. Remember, every seed holds the promise of a beautiful plant. It's all about providing the right conditions for it to grow. So go ahead and unlock the potential of those seeds and seedlings. Happy gardening!